Hey there, Jean here. So this is how one simple tweak, Jesus Christ, I'm the one tweaking, save this agency 10 hours every month. For those that don't know me, I'm Jean. I run a, why is this not locked? I run a custom software development business. We specialize in automating businesses such as agencies, and we also build a couple of SaaS MVPs. We've run SaaS on our own too. In the cold email space before, one email sequencer and one private cold email infrastructure. I have 10 years of experience as a software developer, and I'm now leveraging this to build this business right here. So if you're running any type of agency, you're gonna want to stick with us for this whole video. You'll probably learn how to actually save time in your agency, how to systemize stuff, and basically spend less time running the business or managing VAs, and just embrace automation, because that is where the whole industry is going. So this one simple tweak, save this agency 10 hours every month. Here's how it works. So in this case, we have a cold email agency. And if you're running any type of agency, you're probably running cold email since they're cheap to run. But they're cheap to run, but kind of time consuming. And that is what we are focused on solving with this automation. So when we're creating campaigns, it's not that long to create a campaign, but what is long is the wait between every single step of creating a cold email campaign. So you first need to find leads, then you run a scrapper, then you need to wait for the scrapper to be done, and then you need to verify leads, which can take sometimes it's very quick, but sometimes it's like 45 minutes for one of the 1,000 leads you're verifying. So it takes a lot of time, and then you need to create the campaign in Smartlead or Instantly or whatever. It's easy, but it's boring, and it's like you need to constantly context switch. So you'll start a task and you'll be like, oh, I need to wait after this. And it's just annoying. It's just very fucking annoying. Like, it's not that long, but if you have like multiple clients for your agency, or if you have multiple campaigns to run every month, like maybe you're starting new campaigns every first of the month, it still takes a while out of your day. And to me, like, it's annoying. Like, I run this automation too, and bro, it's a game changer. So what we do instead, so that is before, what we do instead after is we create a custom automation where we basically just drop a URL for your Apollo search query over here. You just drop the URL here, say how many leads you want to be scrapped, and name the campaign. And what the automation does is it will scrap the leads automatically using our own scrapper. Then we'll verify the leads. So it's not an X, but we don't need to wait after it anymore. So it scraps here, and that the leads over here are automatically injected into Million Verifier. Then the leads from Million Verifier are automatically injected in the new Smart Lead campaign. And also in the Smart Lead campaign, we automatically set the default settings that you are just copy pasting every time. You're just you're probably always sending using only plain text, HTML, only plain text, not HTML, not tracking replies, all that shit. We just automate stuff, all that over here, so that you don't spend you're not clicking the same buttons every time you create a campaign. And basically overall, you used to take an hour for every campaign. Now it's 11 minutes. It's a big deal, to be honest. It seems dumb, it seems oh, it's not that long to do this, but the wait just adds up, and it's terrible. And as I said before, if you have if you're running a cold email agency, maybe you have 5 clients, and all these clients, they have multiple campaigns. So you basically need a VA in order to scale past this. And when you're doing this, you're not doing sales, you're not doing sales assets, you're not creating content, which could help improve your close rate. So if you're interested in this kind of implementation for your agency, hit me up. You can book me on here. Pretty easy to find the link to my calendar. Also, I'll drop it in the description. John signing out. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'm wishing you a great day. Bye-bye.